Our topic for today is selling Pi coins on Open Mainnet. If ever in my previous video, right here, 314 USD came through. Other pioneers might sell their Pi coin for 314 USD. This is going to put smile on the traders' faces. Imagine the pioneers mined for almost 6 years or whatever. Then in Open Mainnet, this guy comes in and buy your Pi. And you sold it for $314 per one Pi. And after a month or so, your Pi value doubled or tripled. You are really selling your time, guys. Think about it, guys. 18,000 pesos is not